is David Bushman. I'm an aerospace engineer at Spaceport America. I want to talk about satellites, what they are and why they're useful. A satellite is an object in space that orbits around a larger object due to the gravitational pull between them. For example, the Earth is a satellite because it orbits around the Sun every year. There are two types of satellites, natural and artificial. A natural satellite is something naturally found in space, like the planets or moons. Artificial satellites are objects that are created by people and put into orbit around the Earth, the Moon, or other places in the solar system. Artificial satellites are either useful or considered debris. We create satellites and put them into orbit to perform useful services. A booster used to place a satellite into orbit is no longer used, is considered debris. Other examples of debris include satellites that no longer function, pieces that are created when things collide in space, or when someone loses something in space. For example, on November 18, 2008, while working on the solar panel on the International Space Station, astronaut Heidi Marie Stephenson Piper lost a 30-pound bag of tools that became debris orbiting the Earth. Satellites are important because they provide a vantage point high above the Earth through which we can see things on or near the surface of the Earth that we can't see from the ground. Like the rest of the world, Spaceport America has many useful uses for satellites. The weather is very important to know if you're going to fly an airplane or launch a rocket at Spaceport America. Weather satellites can see large areas of sky and can see the weather over vast distances. This information helps weather experts predict the future, allowing people who are going to launch rockets or fly airplanes at Spaceport America to plan those events. Some events may be of interest to a global audience that occur at Spaceport America. Television satellites can broadcast video from Spaceport America to global audiences even though Spaceport America is in a remote location. Spaceport America and many of its customers use global positioning systems, or GPS, to track their aircraft or their rocket when they fly. Currently, customers come to Spaceport America to launch suborbital rockets. These rockets fly vertically and can go into space above 100 kilometers or 62 miles, but they do not fly orbitally around the Earth. These rockets can be used to test satellite components. New technology is making it possible to make satellites smaller and smaller. Spaceport America hopes to have a role in launching these new satellites into space.